Maybe burnt? No, that's good. Yeah. Oh yeah. See it how it broke?
We're back.
Yep. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, it's starting to caramelize just right. Oh yeah. I can crank this up a little bit, speed up the process, but why ruin all the good fun? Don't taste as good either. You know? It don't when you speed it up. Look, see? Look how brown it is now. You see it? There's no skin on that now. That's all caramelized pieces and skin and bits of noses and eyes and shit. That's what makes it taste so good is the eyeballs in Boudain. Did you know that? The sweet punk taste you get?
The what?
The sweet punk taste you get out of Boudain is the eyeball of the pig, all ground up in there, and the brain and the head and the ears and the feet. That's what Boudain's all about. It's the cat's meow.